Case study related to the volume and surface area. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The diameter each of the depression is 1 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Based on the above information, answer the following question. This stand is of 15 cm by 10 cm and 3.5 cm height, and the depression depth is 1.4. This is the depression of the principal, 1.4 cm, and the diameter is 1 cm. Whole diameter is 1 cm. Okay, now give the answer. Volume of cuboid is, all we know that the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Here is the length 15 into 10 into 3.5. Now 150 into 3.5 is 525 cubic centimeter. Which one is the right option? 525 centimeter cube. The volume of the conical depression is, now the conical depression, this is the conical depression, height is equal to 1.4 centimeter and radius is 1 by 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter diameter radius. Then the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Okay, to 11 and 2 0.7 and cancel by 0.1. It means 11 by 30. Point decimal 11 by 30 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of conical depression. Now the volume of wood in the stand. Volume of wood in the stand means volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. Okay. So now volume of cuboid is this 525 minus 4 cones, 11 by 30 into 4. Now cancel 15 2. 22 by 15. 22 by 15 is approx 1.47. 11 by 22 by 15. Now minus 1.47. Clear? Volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. So now you can subtract 3, 5, 3, 523.53. This is the right option, 523.53. Okay, now the question number 4. Now the question number 4 is surface area of the cuboid. Simple surface area of the cuboid is 2 times total surface area LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. Now 2 into 15 into 10 L into B, B into H 3.5 and H into L. Now solve all these. You will get 150 plus 35 plus 15 into 3.5 is 52.5. Now add and multiplied by 2. You will get 475 centimeter square. 475 centimeter square. Now the next question is the surface area of 4 conical cavities is. Conical cavities, the surface area of conical cavity means cone. The surface area of cone is pi r L. Here first have to find the L. L equal to under root h square plus r square. Height of the cone is 1.4 square and h is 0.5 whole square. Now 1.96 plus 0.25. square root of this 2.21 square root of 2.21. Okay, the approx 2.2 and 1.48. Square root of 2.21 is approx 1. Now the four conical cavities, the 4 into pi RL, pi R is 0.5 and L is 1.48. Now you can solve 4 into 0.5, 2 into 22, 44 into 1.48 by 7. Okay. Now you can solve and you will get the answer 9.28, approx 9.28. The right option is 9.28 centimeter square. Okay. Thank you.